Well, g'day guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another sunny day in Australia. Now, it's no secret that I'm a big fan of Lone Rider equipment, and today we're going to be looking at their 3-litre tow bag. If that's something that interests you, stay tuned to the video. Well guys, thanks for staying tuned to the video. Now, I'm filming this in regional Victoria, and I'm working outside, and Sod's Law states that as soon as you get the camera out, somebody else will get a chainsaw out or a shotgun, so you'll have to excuse the background noise. Now, as I said, I've been using the Lone Rider gear for about 12 months. I started off with the Lone Rider moto bags. I'll put a link to that review up there, and then recently I purchased the 48-litre Overlander, not the Outlander as I keep calling it. Now, just a few days ago I actually took delivery of the tow bag, which is down here. This is a 3-litre bag from Lone Rider. Now, I actually bought this in mind to actually attach to the moto bags, but now that I've installed the quick release, I take them off when I'm not using them, so I needed a method of keeping it on the bike all the time. Now, I don't think it's designed to go on the crash bars, but if you check out the size, it fits perfectly there. So let's zoom in and take a closer look. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the tow bag. As I mentioned earlier, it's 3 litres in capacity, and it's made out of that same thick, durable Hyperlong material that the Lone Rider moto bags and the Overlanders made out of. It's held in place with 4 of these G hooks, which you wrap around the bars, and then you just tighten everything up. If you're going to fix it to your moto bags, then it actually has the molly straps on the back. Size wise, you're looking at about 12 inches or 305 millimeters by about 4 inches or 100 millimeters in both directions. To get inside, all you do is unclip the 2 buckles, roll open the top, and you'll see that inside it perfectly fits the tool roll from Lone Rider. Now, I haven't got around to doing a review on that, but when I do, I'll put the link up here. Okay, to fasten up the bag, all we do is roll down the top there and clip it in place, like so. Now, Lone Rider claim that this is fully waterproof, and I don't doubt that, but we'll go ahead and check that out. So there you go guys, that's the review of the tow bag from Lone Rider. Get one before you get your stuff wet. If you're watching this in the USA, you're looking at about 12 inches. Yep, it doesn't matter what you tell your wife, but that's 12 inches. Okay, or 305